Okay, we got our head here, and we got our hole drilled for our stick. We took it out a little bit back here so our string won't catch on anything. We got everything here we need to finish our head. We have these oversized ears that I'm going to be using for this guy. They've got a 1-inch screw, so we'll screw those into the side and glue them. We have the mouth, which is cut out. That's where I want it to be. We have a 1-inch hinge, which we're going to use, and that's going to go on the back of the mouth here. And then we got our 3/4 inch block, which will go on top. And that will get screwed into that. That way the mouth is going to open and close on the hinge. This block, see, that'll go like that, so it'll open and close. This block will go inside here, and that's going to get screwed in from the sides. So when we screw our hinge to it, it will stay in there. We have a 1/2 inch dowel, which will go back here. That's for our string to come up and over and down through our neck. We have 2 of these eye hooks. One is going to go here on the mouth. That's for our spring to go attach to and to go to the top of the head. The other one is going to be on the back here. That's where we tie our string to. We're going to use a 3-inch spring, and again that gets attached back here, and then it's going to get attached to the top, or to the mouth, the inside of the mouth. That'll pull it closed when you use your string to open it. We have another one of these hooks here. We have one in the top for our spring. The other one's going to go down here, and we'll put a rubber band on this and then to the body, so it helps keep your head on there. We have these acrylic eyes we're going to use. These are 1 inch or 30 centimeters. We're going to make this character a clown, so we have a round dowel here which we're going to attach to his nose. We'll flatten this a little bit so we get a good grip on there. We have the back of the head, which we took all this out in here so our string won't catch on that. We're going to use a 1-inch ring. This will get tied with our string. We're going to use an 1.25 inch dowel, which I've already got attached there. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Let's see, we also got a 24-inch nylon string that we're going to use. Thanks for watching.